Your First Alert forecast with Chief Meteorologist Joe Winters.
Last few days, your first alert has been green. Now you notice it's starting to highlight as that storm comes closer, which means within the next 24 hours, we are going to see some weather impacts. That could come with some showers and storms that develop in the evening and then continue late afternoon and evening and continue. Now, some of those storms will be strong to severe. The better chance of that will be as we approach the evening hours. Winds will be ramping up as well. They'll be stronger tomorrow morning than we saw today, which was a little stronger than yesterday, but then morning into the afternoon without any thunderstorms around, we're still looking at winds that could be 40 plus. So certainly a lot of weather happening during the next 24 hours. Overnight tonight, partly cloudy. Southeast winds at 5 to 10, so the change comes with a few more clouds and a bit of a moisture increase with that. 53 in Cedar Rapids, 52 in Washington, 54 in Iowa City. Tomorrow's highs, warm. Take a look at that. Mid to upper 70s, potential record setting, 79 in Iowa City, 81 degrees in Washington. Strong to severe storms will be developing as we head through the late afternoon and particularly into the evening hours. Here's your wind gust forecast. Again, all from the south, generally southeast early on as that moisture moves in, that low gets closer. Wind gusts greater than 30 for sure and likely greater than 40 at times. So breaking down that severe threat once again, as Corey did, a line of storms developing after 5 o'clock, moving from the west to the northeast across the TV9 viewing area. The primary threat comes from damaging winds, and they could be greater than 70 miles per hour. And we're looking at you to stay up to date with the latest forecast tonight, tomorrow, into tomorrow afternoon, and download the First Alert Weather app. One ingredient for those storms, we need moisture, and that dew point goes up into the lower to middle 50s, so that moisture slowly starting to increase, which will help fuel some of those storms. The energy certainly is present, not in the morning, but it builds quickly, and by the time we head into the afternoon and again evening hours, it is certainly with us, and that'll help fuel those storms. Here's some timing. Could be an isolated shower storm developing even by 3 o'clock. We'll watch and see, but the main line appears to be 5 o'clock, and then as we head through the evening, there's your 7 o'clock picture moving through Iowa City, Cedar Rapids up toward Waterloo. By 9 o'clock, beginning to approach Dubuque and moving through. They do weaken a bit across the northeast as they move through, and then behind that system, still some clouds and some scattered rain, and what will be potentially some snow showers as well. As we take a look at our temperature outlook, and this again across much of the nation, the warmth that we're seeing right now is set to continue as we head through the 20th through the 26th of March. And as far as precipitation, could also stay a bit more active during that entire time. Something, again, they'll be watching as we approach the start of the spring season, which officially happens as we move into next week.